So today we're going to be talking about how to get your Instagram page back. And let me tell y'all, I'm an expert. My Instagram page, my original page, was disabled over 6 times. I had to start a whole new page and redo Rose Credit Repair on Instagram. And I've helped multiple friends get their Instagram pages back when it's been disabled. So that's what we're going to get into today. I want to help y'all get y'all pages back. If your page was disabled, if for some reason it was suspended, if someone reported your page, this will pretty much help you get it back. If you were hacked, that's a totally different situation. But I have assistance for you as well if your page was hacked. So let's get straight into it. First and foremost, if you log into Instagram and you start to see the little pending circle, just know your page has been disabled. A lot of times I've seen on my own, your page can be disabled because of a bot. It could have been disabled because somebody reported you and said like it was hate or there was some type of bullying. Sometimes Instagram actually just has glitches where they just randomly disable or suspend people's accounts. So there's quite a few different reasons on what can happen, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to get your page back. All you need to do is fill out these Instagram forms. I'm gonna link each Instagram form down below because there's 3 different ones that you can fill out. So first and foremost, the first form that you can fill out is pretty much gonna ask you for your name, your email address, your Instagram like your Instagram name, and then they're going to ask you to pretty much give the phone number and a reason why you think your account should be reviewed so that your account can be restored. So you fill all of that out. I would suggest once you submit it, at least submit it 2 or 3 times. And once you do that, either you're going to get an email or they're pretty much going to reach out to you and you'll see that your page will be activated again. I would suggest that you continue to do this daily until you see that your page is back up and you're able to log back in. So that's going to be the first form. That's the one that I've seen helps the most. And then there's 2 other forms. This also works for if your page was disabled or hacked. The first form is going to ask you for the same information, your name, your Instagram ad. It's going to ask you for your phone number, the email address attached, and then it's going to say attach a copy of your ID front and back. So if your page was disabled or hacked, this pretty much works because this is you verifying your identity and letting them know. And if your page was hacked, you could say, hey, my page was hacked. This is me verifying this is my identity. They changed my email address, whatever the case may be. Please help me get my page back and reach me at this email address so that I can get it back. That's the second form. Okay. And then the third form is directly for businesses. So let's say your business page got disabled or hacked. It's going to ask for the same information, your name, your email address, the phone number. And then for the business side, it asks you to upload a document, whether it's your articles of formation, which is basically your LLC documents, something related to your business, an invoice, just something showing that you are this business and you're the actual owner of this said business. And then it always gives you a little text box to explain what happened. And I suggest that you go in depth and let them know, hey, my page was disabled. I have followed all terms and conditions. Please restore my account. I'll make sure that I do right moving forward. I would also suggest that you leave an email address again or your phone number in that section, because when you fill out the one where you have to upload either your ID or your business documents, usually Instagram will end up emailing you and asking you, they're going to send you an email and it's going to say, you need to write this 6-digit code on a piece of paper with your Instagram name and hold it up and take a picture and send it back to us. So once you fill out that form, within roughly about 24 to 48 hours, you'll get that email. So you're going to, do the 6-digit code, hold it up, take a picture, respond back to that email. And then from there, they'll pretty much contact you or just put your page back up. So those are the 3 different forms that you can do based on your situation. And I will link them below. Just trust and understand, no matter what, like every day, fill out the form until they either email you or your Instagram page come back up. Now, I've helped people get their pages back with these forms. Normally, it takes about 2 to 3 days at the most. I've seen like 5 days. If it goes past that, just keep filling out the form. Keep filling out the form until they reach you. The last thing that you can do that I've had to do a few times is If you have a business page, you can go on Facebook. I'm looking at it right now because I have to see. So you go on Facebook, and then you go to the little menu, and then you go to the help and support section. Once you go to help and support, you click on the help center. And if you have a business page and you've done ads before, it'll say visit business help center. You click on that, and then it's going to load up, and it's going to say, do you want to contact support? If you want to contact support, you can actually open a chat with somebody directly on Facebook Business Manager, but you have to have an ad account or a business account set up on Facebook in order to do this. So I actually just did this because I'm having issues with my Instagram bio. So once you set it up, it'll open a chat, and it'll say Facebook business support, and then you'll start chatting with a live representative by doing that. I do say you do have to have an ad account. That's the only thing. You can't do this if it's just a personal account because you have to go to the business center. But once you start chatting with them on the business support, you can let them know directly what's going on. You can give them your updated name, email address, all that if you've been hacked or disabled, and then they can help you process an appeal or try to get your page back from there. So I hope these things helped you guys. I'll make sure that I'll link everything below and take you guys through the tutorial. Thank you again. It's Rose. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.